I had really hoped to be able to start this video a little bit earlier, but it is now 12 o'clock on day 6, and day 6 video is only uploading now. Luckily, it's only going live at 4, so that's not really a problem, but it's taken me a lot longer to edit because it was a lot more things than I'd planned. Anyway, it's my day off, so what I actually plan to do is to go to Merrypak and Superfloral, which I had wanted to do on Saturday, which I couldn't do because I had computer issues. Anyway. So I'm going to go do that now. I'm going to go take you around some of the shops. I know that those are shops that people regularly go to for crafts and things like that. You know, I'm talking more like your supply. Well, I mean, so most people that have like a business, they would buy stuff from there because you get packaging and lots of other fun stuff. There's lots of stuff in those shops that I absolutely love. So I'm going to take you around and then we will have a little bit of fun today. Ooh, okay, so they have these balloons, which are awesome because you can actually put vinyl on them. So they are 32 Rand. It is very, very cool. All kinds of different colors. Love that. Okay, and this is pretty much what people come to Merrypak for, is all of their boxes, their varieties. What's really nice is that they, on most of them, have the samples already built, so you can see exactly the size of the box that you're going to buy, which I absolutely love. There we go. See, sample, sample, sample. So of course they also have, you know, tons of party supplies and things like that. All these blank cups and whatnot that you can actually personalize. So, I mean, these are just, they look so much better in person than on camera, but they still look pretty cool. But you could obviously put vinyl on these, but then you wouldn't really be able to use them because vinyl is not so food safe. So I'd probably recommend putting them on the cups. Let's put that one right. Party hats. You totally personalize these party hats as well. Super cool. Confetti! This is also super cool. It's actually a cupcake tier stand. So 5-tier cupcake stand for 300 Rand. There's a 3-tier one for 150 Rand. Very cool. Ooh, now here is something. You totally get these and like personalize with them with some names or something. That'd be cool. Some shapes. I know that we all want to do that. The circly things. But they're probably cheaper at Superfloral. Some Christmas baubles if you're looking for some of those. These lanterns are so cute. And this one as well. Very cute. Okay, this is actually the reason why I came here, is for the wrap. But I don't think it's here. I think it's more around this side, if they have any. Okay, so they've got red, blue, pretty much sold out of everything else, it looks like it, which sucks because that's what I needed. They also have Christmas crackers. They are 33 Rand, but obviously like you can just cut these with your machine, but the snaps are the interesting part. So the snaps are actually what you want, and the snaps are sold separately here. So it's 38 Rand for 24, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna get some of these because I'm pretty sure that I have some at home, but I don't remember. And then of course many more boxes. Ooh, velvet bags. That is super cool. And now of course these packets are crinkly. Okay, they also have velvet and satin bags. Bear in mind that you can sublimate on satin, so that is super cool. Let's see how much they are. 42 Rand for 5 little bags. 90 Rand for 3 large-ish 90 Rand for 3 large-ish velvet bags, which is pretty cool. So I'll get some of those and try them out for you. Keep an eye out for a future video. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. These are so pretty. Oh, I love these. I think the price is on the other side. Oh, there we go. 52 Rand. They are so pretty. Okay, so that one is 52. That one is 104, even though it's not drastically different. But yeah, they've got more gold ones, silver ones. Ooh, these are pretty. These are very pretty. 56. Very cute. Very cute. And then again, more packaging options, sizes, colors, box types. Like I said, most of them have a little box already made up. Very cute, very useful. Scrapbooking storage, 37.50. Heck, that's a bargain. 57 Rand. And this is a lot of stuff that people like to put in as well. Very, very cool. Many different colors. I could spend so much money in this shop. Ooh. And then if you are looking for some little baggies, I've got a whole bunch of different baggies there as well. Very cool. And there's even bigger options on the other side. Another thing that I really do like that you can get from here is their compostable bags. So they've got Bayer bags, and they also have all of these that are the biodegradable zipper bags. They are these little bags. So they're biodegradable. They also show you the different sizes, which is super cool. More packets, biodegradable packets. Very useful. Some polystyrene thingies. Oh my god, that coffee smells good. I know you can't smell it, but it smells so good. A lot of catering type stuff, which is very cool. The bottle aisle. Oh, and yarn. That is new. They haven't had that before. My favorite section, the crafts. Crafts and paint. You can hear the coffee now. Ooh, this is what I needed. Oh, but it's just foam. It's okay. I'll leave that. This is also very interesting. They've got like acrylic thingies. Like this is a menu holder. You can see. Very cool. Not badly priced. Business card stand. And they've got like all your envelopes and everything that you could need as well in so many different colors. More crafty things. Love it, love it. Oh, you can also buy the sticker paper stuff here. Maybe they have the right one. Doesn't look like it. Because if you look here, then you can see that these are already cut. Oh, here, these ones. They also got some really nice, like, I mean, look at this paper. It's so pretty.
One eternity later.
And here we are at Superfloral. Yay! And you come in the store there and you have a whole bunch of fun things. The store is huge. We'll go through most of it now, but initially you have like the papers and things, and here's like the yarn and ribbon. They have so much stuff. Here we have Santa's little village, as I like to call it. All of like the little Christmassy stuff. It is an absolute amazing place to be. There's so much stuff. And yeah, all Christmassy themed, which is great. And all of the stuff in the middle as well. You have little Santa bags. Some fun decor thingies. Christmas wreaths, Christmas trees. These are my personal favorite. These little guys, and they are not that expensive. That's the normal price, and that's the price I think if you have a wholesale account. So I'm actually getting one of each. Well, I'm gonna get that one, and I'm gonna get that one, because these two are identical, but the one is just bigger than the other. So I'm not sure if I want the two of the same. You can do some nice Santa hats. They are R6 each. These are the like the felty type ones. These are R6 each. These are like the more luxury ones. These ones are R66 each, but they're much nicer. Oh, these are a little bit smaller, and they are 26 rand. Also got tons of baubles. Okay, then also some of the other things that I wanted to show you were all of these vases that they have here, and I really hope that this doesn't get copyright struck, so I'm going to try and talk a lot and talk very quickly so that it doesn't catch on. Tons of serviettes and some more Christmas boxes. So they've also got a couple of the different sized baubles. These are the ones that are in two halves that you put together. As you can see, they aren't that expensive. I think they're around 50 rand, and I think it's a pack of 5 or so, if I remember correctly. That's for the 8 centimeter ones. I think these ones are like 70 rand or so. This is also some of the stuff that I really love. It's these little LED lights. You can see here they've got like a little wick thing, fake wick, and then when you light it, or when you switch it on, it like wobbles, which is really cute. I don't know how they do that, but it's adorable. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these. So this is the aisle that has all the paper and all the candles. From what I understand, they aren't exactly the cheapest when it comes to candles. There are better places. More Christmas boxes. They also have tons of different like packaging options, which is really cool. They also have a whole bunch of like wooden things. Don't know what you would do with them, but they're cool. Ooh. Here were some of the things that I looked at last time that I wanted to try. These little like baggies. I'd literally have no idea if you'd be able to sublimate them or not, but they've got a whole bunch of different kinds, which is pretty cool. Like this one's a drawstring. The lighting is awful in here. I apologize. And there's more stuff down there at the bottom. More baggies. They've also got these fun containers, but different ones to the ones we saw at Merrypak. Let's see the price. Oh, they're giving them away. Very nice of them. And the price is here. I doubt that's 215 rand. It's probably for 215, the biggest one. These are very cool though. Like you could totally put vinyl on them. Lots of different kinds. And there's zebra. And they also have like a ton of glitter. And if you use a lot of glitter, they sell it pretty much in bulk packs. That's not the biggest pack. Can you believe it? It's super cheap. Like 8 rand 50 if you're buying wholesale. All kinds of different packaging tape, washi tape if you use a ton of washi tape. I also find these difficult to find anywhere else, so they do sell like a whole bunch of buckets, which is super cute. And then they have like a whole bunch of metal type thingies, party decor, so much stuff. I know many people are always looking for these, so they sell these as well. They sell the little plates as well. They also sell like the foam stuff for plants, the stuff that retains water. Oasis, I have no idea what it's called, but they sell a ton of that too. Now we're back into the copyright music zone. I actually bought one of these and I have it in my room. You might notice it in some of my videos. I think it's this one. It's very cute. Little bunnies, all the kind of craft stuff. If you watch my Halloween video, you would have seen me make a spider out of these. This is where I got it. Very cute. If you're looking for some... Ooh, they have big wood rounds. Oh my word! Look at that! Oh yes. Yes. These are practically coaster size. This is the first time I've actually seen them here. 112 Rand. That's not bad. In the trolley. I've got some of the small ones. I don't really use them. Yeah, they've got tons of them. Look at these. Look at these. They are so beautiful. Yay, the music's not playing. They also have a whole bunch of driftwood, which is quite cool. They normally... We bought quite a bit of this in the past for our snake tanks. Love it. Well, they have more wreaths this time as well. I think I bought this one for the... I bought the bigger one for the Halloween video, but they are very pretty. Not that expensive. These ones are 30 Rand. Quite pretty. A lot of little fake flowers and things down there. And balloons. Craft foam. Or felt. Or cork. If you are super into fairy houses and things like that, they've got like a selection of things that you can buy. Beautiful little fairy thingies. Super cute. So here they have these awesome little underplates. I'm gonna get a red one for Christmas. Our color is red and white for Christmas, so this will go nicely with a little Santa station. Not like I have kids that will enjoy it, but oh well. Lots of pots and things, all kinds of types of pots. And now the Christmas section. All of these baubles. Huge selection. Christmas decor. Fun things. Very cool. Rustic Christmas trees. A nice garland. Polystyrene section. More polystyrene. Super cute. So I don't know if I showed you in the Christmas section, but they have these huge Christmas sacks, which are great. So you can actually then press whoever's name on the Christmas sack, and then you can put all the presents in there. I thought that was very cute. And now we have the flower section of the shop, which is amazing. There's like tons and tons and tons of stuff. Many different types of flowers. They also have a ton of paints, which is really cool, and I'm talking really fast because there's copyright music playing. First time I've seen that. Yay! Tons of different glues.
One eternity later.
And that is the end of Craftmas Day 7. So I hope that you enjoyed that. I enjoyed taking you along. Sorry that it kind of flipped in between the two with no real wrap-up. I will work on that for next time. It's the first time I'm doing this, so things to learn. Anyway, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for day 8. And remember, be kind to someone today. See you soon.